So now Git merging. What is that? Merging is nothing but what is Git merging? So allow you to merge branches together. What is that? Allow you to merge branches together. Branches together means local bug 1 2 3 to local main and remote remote bug 1 2 3 to remote main. Yes, understood. So local bug 1 2 3 to local main and a remote bug 1 2 3 to remote main. So we are merging this code from remote to remote, local to local. So to merge a branch. So how to merge the branch, guys? To merge a local branch main. Okay, local branch main. You can git merge bug 1 2 3. So it is merged from your local feature 1 2 3 to local your bug 1 2 3 to main and your remote and your so remote your sorry your bug remote bug 245 to main. Okay, I will show you in the remote how you can create the compare and create a pull request. It will show you, or else you can create from this button pull request. What is pull request? Pull request is nothing but allow you to merge the branches together. Okay, new pull request, compare main. What is that? Bug 245. From bug 245 to compare is nothing but a bug 245 and base equal to main. Base equal to main. What is that? Fixing the bug. And what is the what we are adding? We are adding a one file bug.txt into the main. Okay. Create a pull request. Create a pull request. So create a pull request. Yeah, you created the pull request. Who is the assignee? Assignee is yourself, for example. Who is the reviewer? So reviewer is nothing but your manager. Reviewer is nothing but your manager. So okay, once you create the pull request, it will go to the reviewer, and you can ask to check the your manager and approve the code from where bug to main. It will go to main branch. Whatever the code, new code, right, will merge to the main branch. Okay. So for example, so your manager opened this your manager and so review the changes. So he will review the changes. So click the review the changes and submit the file, right? Mm, I can do. So this is not a code, right? Empty code comment. Yeah. So click the comment. Please add the if logic instead of for loop. So for example, we start the review. Okay. So then again ask to the Hari. For example, Chaitra. I am the reviewer. I am the reviewer of the Chaitra and Dhananjay. I am asking to check the code and modify the code. Again, I opened the code. And what is that bug 245? So in the bug 245, I'm adding a for loop. For loop I equal to 0. I less than 10 now. I plus plus. Okay, this is the code I added. So I added. You see, so this is nothing but I need to add that more. So add the code and modified the code with for loop. For example, guys. So here you see. So if you want to use the commit, or you can use the commit with push. Okay, now let's check it. Refresh. You see, he added the he added the code. Then reviewed the changes. Okay. So then resolve the conversation. Yeah. So your conversation is resolved. Now the code is looks good. Then your manager will merge this code to, you see, now it is in the merged. Now it is in the merged. If you click the pull request, you see, so 0 opened, 1 closed. What is that one? So 1 is for hours. What is this? So this is hours. So your manager is reviewed and asked for some new code, and you already modified that code and again pushed that code. Then he okay with that code and he approved the code. He approved the code. Now let's see the code is in the main file. See, what is that? Bug 123 modified the code with for loop. You see. Now you understood the merging strategies? Merging?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Yeah, very good. Yeah. So if you go to the pull request, okay, closed one. Yeah. So what is that? So if you click it, fixing the bug, then yeah, you see. So delete the branch. So I don't want the pull request successfully merged and closed. So you all are set. The bug 1245 branch can be safely deleted. Yeah, I want to delete that branch because of multiple people are creating the branches and merging, right? So once the merge is completed, so everything is looks good. Just delete the branch. Delete the branch. Now you understood how to delete the branch, right? How to delete the branch in the local. I will tell you. Now you understood how to merge it la local. I will show you guys, no worries. To delete the branch that is merged. What is the command? The command is git branch hyphen d branch name. Branch name. So this is also called as a soft branch delete. What is that? Soft delete. To delete a branch that is not merged. Okay. So what is that? Git branch hyphen capital D branch name hyphen capital D branch name. This is also known as hard delete. Hard delete. So for example, bug 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I will show you the local changes. Okay. Now git ls. So what is the branch? What is the code? Is there? There is a code called as a, what is that, guys? Bug.txt. Okay. So this bug.txt git checkout git urls git checkout main. So switch it to branch ls. Here you see, is there any bug.txt? Guys, in the main branch, in our local main branch, is bug.txt is there?
No.
No. I want to merge in the local. How you can merge it, guys, in the local? Now you understood how to merge it in the remote. How to merge it in the, so to merge the local branch from main. So from bug 1 to 3, if we want, go to that main and merge, git merge 1 to 3. Git merge bug 245. I want to merge bug 245 into main. What is the command? Git merge bug 245. You see, one file is added to main ls. So now you see bug.txt is there. Now you understood how to merge the local to local and how to merge the remote to remote. Guys, understood? Local to main, remote to main. Guys, understood? Local, you can use the get bug 245. 245. Understood? So if you want to delete the branch that is merged, in GUI you already showed, right? So git branch -d bug 245. Now git branch. Is that branch bug 245 is there or deleted? Guys,
Yes, sir. Soft deleted.
this is the soft delete. So yeah. So I want to switch to git checkout. Git checkout Jira 1, 2, 3. Git checkout Jira 1, 2, 3. ls. So nothing is there, right? Nothing is there. Something like ABCMNO, right? So here you see, is there any code is there? Nothing is there. I'm adding a code called as a Jira dot txt. What is that, guys? Jira dot txt I'm added. You see again. So this is adding and Jira code added. So you see, commit and push. Commit and push means it will commit the code and push it to the remote branch. Which branch this is? This is the remote branch. Now you see, yeah. Now it is pushed to remote branch. Now I am going to remote branch. What is that? Yeah, you see, Jira. So go to the dsgit 6 branches. How many branches you have? Jira 1, 2, 3. Jira 1, 2, 3. Jira 1, 2, 3 having the Jira.txt, but main doesn't have that Jira dot 1, 2, 3. For example, this MR is wrong. This, so yeah, you push that code, right? You can create the MR. You can merge the code. You can merge the code same future 1, 2, 3 to main. Future 1, 2, 3 to main. Directly it is showing, right? Compare and create a pull request. pull request is nothing but a merge request. Okay. So Jira 123 to main. So create a pull request. Yeah, created the pull request. Okay. So created the pull request. So something like it was missed to add something. So I don't want this pull request. I want to delete this pull request. Do this, delete the branch. So you created a pull request. I want to close the pull request. Close the pull request. Okay. And delete the branch. Delete the branch. Yes, understood? So you deleted the merge request, that closed the merge request and deleted the branch also. Deleted the branch also. Yes, understood?